students from grade 6 in Sant Josep School, Navàs, Catalonia. Today we will plant an olive tree for the Twinning Tree project.
The scientific name is Olea europea. The olive tree is native from Mediterranean area, Africa and Asia.
It's important for agriculture in the Mediterranean countries for its fruit called olives. We get olive with olives and it's very healthy.
The tree starts flowering in March and collects the fruit in November.
The olive trees can live for over 1,000 years. There is one olive tree located in the Greek island that is from 2,000 to 3,000 years old.
The olive supplies vitamins E and minerals too.
The olive tree leaves have a lot of medicinal properties. It is an evergreen tree. At the top, the color is dark green, and at the bottom, the color is light green, and they are from 3 to 8 centimeters long.